Hey guys, so today we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator. So I'm kind of bad at this game, so I'm sorry if you don't like it, but if you would like to and help and support me, you can. Maybe subscribe, that would be even better. Okay, we got our little thing. Let's go make some pollen. I personally like up there at number 5 or this one. So we're just going to hang out here for a little bit, you know? This is, I think, my first video was showing my voice. Yeah. What's this? Okay, we need to complete the gingerbread house. Let's go find some pieces. Well, first we're gonna wow, give it all them songs, make pollen, you know. I think I might buy more bees if I have enough. I need more bees. Okay, I'm making it now. Okay, Lewis. I love my bumblebee. Let's see if I have enough for another egg. Yeah, I don't. But let's go find this gingerbread house thingy. Yeah, it makes me tap this, and then there's a rhino beetle. I forgot these things right here. Look at all these bees. My bees are over there. I don't have a lot. I think they're doing a sprout. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. I've only had one random person make a swarm for me.
You alright?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
No.
No?
No. This is crazy. I think I have enough to make another bee. Well, I don't really see the sprout, so I'm doing something we got some honey. This is crazy. Look at it. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm out of my pollen, so we'll go. Oh, there's a frog. And we'll go to my hive. I don't really feel like doing it, so. Should I look at letter B? I'm gonna look at the thing first over here. Actually, I'm not spending anymore. Let's see what's up here. I wanna go on, this is for 8 Bs though. I do have 8 Bs. Why did it make me go over here? I thought it made you go over there. I think it's because I don't have 10 Bs yet. I only have 8. I like using the slingshot. The label comes out in 3 minutes. So yeah. Just gonna collect some pollen. I think if I get more than 72, I'll get a balloon like that. Cause I had a balloon and now it's gone. Is this still crazy over there? No. Sunflowers. So comment what other videos or Roblox games I should do next. I'm just going around in circles now. I think this is enough. I think you have to wait 12 minutes. So let's just go over here and make the honey. So that will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. Bye.